How to use Instagram stories for marketing. So hello everyone, so in today's video I will show you guys on how to use Instagram stories for marketing. So without further ado, let us begin. So currently I'm just running Instagram right here on my PC, but it's on the phone version right here as you can see. So as you can see, I can add a story right here in my PC. So if you want to do this on your own, so if you want to make post stories right here directly from your computer, because when you load into the regular Instagram website, I'll just show you guys right now. Instagram, let's just log into Instagram right now. As you can see, the PC version does not allow us to add stories, but we can create posts but not post stories. So if you want to post stories directly from your PC right here, what you want to do is to just simply right click the site, click on inspect, there you go. And then once you click on inspect, I'll just maximize this real quick. This thing will pop up. So what you want to do is to press on this one right here, the one that I'm hovering my mouse on, just like that. So just click on it and then this option will pop up. Then at the top right here, the dimensions, just choose which kind of phone size you want. So currently I'm using the iPhone 14 Pro Max. So yeah, so that's pretty much on how you change to the phone version right here directly from your PC, and then from here you can now start adding your stories just like this one. So when you click on add stories, as you can see, we can now add our stories. So yeah, okay, so once you're done changing into the mobile version, what we're going to do first is to make our personal account into a business account. So to do that, what you want to do is you just simply go to your profile right here, click on settings right here, and then just scroll down until you see account type and tools. So just click on that, and then there you go. It says right here to switch to a professional account. So basically, switching to a professional account allows you to advertise your posts and your stories to maximize your reach to potential followers. So yeah, so let's just switch to a professional account right there, and then there you go. And then we'll ask you which best describes you. So you can either be a creator right here or a business. So if you're a creator, so this is best for public figures, content producers, artists, and influencers. And then if you're in line of business, this one is for best for retailers, local businesses, brands, organizations, and service providers. So yeah. So as an example, I'll just choose this one right here that says creator. Click on next. There you go. Click on next again. Afterwards, just put or choose what category suits you the best. So as an example, I'll just do this one right here, shopping and retail. There you go. You can also allow this to show this category on your profile if you want to. I'll just do that. There you go. And then just simply click on done. There you go. It will ask you if you want to switch to a professional account. So your profile and content on Instagram will be public. Anyone will be able to see your content in search engine results, and you can turn this off anytime in account privacy in settings. And then you'll no longer need to approve followers, and any pending requests will be automatically approved. So yeah, so just click on continue right there. Once you're sure you want to switch to a professional account, just wait for it to load. And then there you go, our Instagram account is now a professional account. So there you go, click on done right there. So you will have a lot of new features and perks right here once you switch to a business account. So I'll just go to settings again. So as you can see right here, it says right here for professionals. So if you have a personal account, you won't have this section, but if you're now in a professional account, you will have this section right here. So in here, you'll get access to the creator tools and controls. So basically in creator tools and controls, this just allows you to switch between a business account or a personal account. So if you want to revert into those accounts, you can do so right here in the creator tools and controls. Next, in professional account right here, you can change again the category of your account right here. You can also allow this to display the category label, add your business email right here, your WhatsApp number, and then right here at the bottom you can also add a phone number, and then you can also choose how would you like to be reached. So it can be a call or text, and then you can also allow this to display your contact info. So yeah, so once you're ready or done setting up your professional account, what we're going to do now is to start making a story. So in making a story, you can either use photo editors or photo editing software like Photoshop or Canva. So for this video, I'll be utilizing Canva since they are pre-made templates that we can use for marketing. So yeah, so once you're in Canva, I'll just search up for a marketing template right here. Marketing template for phones, since it will be on a story. There you go. I'll just search that up. Just wait for it to load. And then here we are. So as you can see right here, there are a lot of sample templates right here that we can use. So yeah, feel free to use which kind of template you want to use, or feel free to choose which kind of marketing type or marketing design you're going to use. So yeah. And then at the top right here, you can also choose which kind of category and style you want. So for the category, you can choose which kind of size you want to use for your photos. As you can see right here, they have an option right here that will allow you to use it for your story. So I'll just do that. There you go. And then at the top right here, you can also choose which kind of style you want. So they have a modern style, minimalist style, and a lot more. So yeah, feel free to choose which kind of style you want. But for me, I'll just choose all styles, and then I'll see which kind of style that I can use from here. So yeah, so as an example, I'll use this template right here. It says right here that there is a sale, so I'll just use this as an example. So just customize the template. There you go. And then from here, we can now start customizing our marketing story. So to do that, just simply click on anything that you want to edit out, like the text right here or the image. Then you can just simply type in whatever you like or change things with what you like. So yeah, so as an example, I'll just delete this whole thing just like that. There you go. I'll just delete this as well. There you go. So what we're going to do now is just simply add some designs right here to our template. So I'll just look for a simple background that I can use for this. So for example, I'll just look for like some kind of crumpled paper background. As an example, I'll choose this one. Then let's just resize it a bit. There you go. And then there you go. Okay. I'll just round up the corners just like that. And there you go. We now have our background right here. Let's just make it a bit smaller. There you go. Next, what we're going to do now is just simply add our text. So yeah, I'll just choose some kind of text template right here that we can use. So for example, just add this one first, like contact us text right there. So I'll just put this at the bottom, just like that. Let's just try to change the color a bit and increase the size, just like that. There you go. Next, let's just add our main text right here. So for example, use this one. There you go. Let's just try to center it. So I'll just put like school summer sale, something like that. There you go. Let's just try to fix this real quick. There you go. Let's just resize it again so that it'll fit the screen. And then there you go. Next, what we can also do is add some elements or designs right here, like school related stuff, like school supplies. So as an example, I'll add this backpack right here. Let's just try to resize it. There you go. Let's try to change its orientation, just like that. Next, let's try to add some like school materials, just like this one. Resize it again. Let's move it right here at the bottom. Let's resize it again. And then there you go. So yeah, so that's pretty much it. A basic design for a story that you can post on Instagram. So yeah, so feel free to design your own, but this is how I want to design mine. So yeah, and then once you're done, what we can do is just simply export it. So I'll just rename this into a marketing sample, just like that. Click on share. Next, we're going to download this. Download. I'll just download it as a PNG. Click on download again. There you go. Let's just wait for it to download. Let's just wait for this to finish. And then there you go. So let's just go back to Instagram right here. Let's just simply post our story. So it's in my downloads folder. Let's add this. And then there you go. So as you can see right here, we now have our story that we can add right here. And then at the top right here, you can also add like emojis and also like draw on this. So you can draw just like that. There you go. You can also add additional text right here. So I'll just add testing. There you go. Let's just make it black. There you go. So yeah. And then once you're done, once you're ready to add this to your story, just simply click on add to your story right there. Just wait for it to upload. And then there you go. The photo has been added. And then there you go. So as you can see, there's now a highlight right here on our profile picture that when we click on the story, as you can see, our story is now there. So yeah. And then if you want to like boost this story or like to promote it, just click on boost story right there at the bottom. Then you can boost your story from there. So if you want to promote this, simply click on boost story. Oh, so it says right here, I'll need a profile picture. So I'll just try to add a profile picture first so I can show you guys on what boosting a story looks like. Let's try that again. Boost story. And then there you go. So it says right here, choose how you like to boost an Instagram. So you can boost it with a Facebook account or without a Facebook account. So I'll just choose without a Facebook account. Click on continue. And then it will ask you, what do you want people to do when they see your ad? So you can let them visit your profile, visit your website, or just simply message you. So as an example, I'll just choose this one right here, visit my profile. There you go. Simply click on next. And then there you go. Who should see your ad? So just in here, you can just select your target requirements right here. So you can allow this to like be sent to like financial products and services, employment, housing, social issues, elections, and etc. So feel free to customize this section out. You can also create your own targeting options right here as well. So yeah, feel free to customize this section. And then lastly, just simply add your budget right here. So the higher the budget, the more reach you're gonna get. So if you have like $1,000 daily budget, as you can see, you'll get around 71,000 to 190,000 reaches. Then if you have like $1, you'll get like 220 to 580 reaches a day. You can also set a duration right here as well on how long you want to run this ad. So yeah, so that's pretty much it. So I'll just cancel all of that, discard. So yeah, and then after that you are pretty much done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Instagram stories for marketing. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.